Hi guys, so good morning. Meron tayong atin na awarding ngayon ni HUD. So tingnan natin kung makakapasok tayo ngayon. So surprise daw kung sino yung mga ano, pero two of my team, part of my team would be awarded as top sellers for 2024. So see you.
We remain to be one of the top sales division in SLBC.
Good morning! Good morning to everyone! Back to normal. In fact, with the promos that we have, it only shows that a lot of buyers are still buying at this point in time. So congratulations for those with promotion for reservations for the month of June.
Guys, thank you so much. So yan, ang pang number 3 tayo, top 3 as Associate Director for Property Investment for 2024 Team HUG. Yan, so maraming salamat sa lahat mga investors namin, sa partners natin, sa local brokers, sa international marketing partners, sa mga local marketing partners natin, and also so Team LRF. Thank you so much for producing wonderful sales for 2024 sa Team LRF. Para sa inyo yung award na to. Okay guys, so salamat at sa patuloy na magtitiwala po sa amin. Message lang po kayo sa aming page. Ayan, sa team ko, LRF Team. Ayan, page. Tapos yun sa page ko rin po sa Lars Realty TV. And ayan, maraming salamat and to God be the glory. Bye guys.